machine learning actually happens. So it's all about training. Okay.
Yeah.
Machine is like our child when we are talking about machine learning. Okay. Machine is like a child. At this point of time, you are doing a learning. I can take your example. You're also doing a learning. At this point of time, I'm training you with data, right? You're using some algorithm in your mind, analyzing everything, trying to observe everything, right? At the end, you will understand, okay, this is something I have learned. I'm ready. But I wanted to test you. I will evaluate, right?
Yeah.
I will use some questionnaire or something. I will evaluate how much you have learned and I will give you marking. Now, at this point of time, you are only one person as a student. But let's say there is a group of people who are studying in the same batch, right? Everyone is getting trained, same data. Everyone is having same data. Everyone is processing the data, but mind
Different between
observation,
yeah, yeah.
different algorithms are running,
Somebody's
thinking differently, right?
yeah.
Right? So that algorithm change happen. I'm just trying to understand, making it like this, that your algorithm is doing something else, other person algorithm is doing something else. When I'm training you, then you're all saying that I'm ready. Everyone is saying I'm ready, but I want you to judge which person is the top scorer for me, who have learned greatly. I wanted to observe it. So what I will do?
We should have evaluation.
Evaluation, right? And
Yes,
how will I judge it? Because questionnaires that I'm giving, and also I should have the reference answers to those questions so that I can compare this is the correct answers. And this person has given out of 10, 9 correct answers. The other person has given 8 correct answers. So the person who have scored 9 will be my person, better one. This is the same thing happening in machine learning. So in the machine learning, we provide observations, we provide data. Now, data will be broken into two parts. One is feature, and second is label. So we have got the feature and we have got the label. Just see, feature are also known as X. If I talk about machine learning terminology, features are also called X, and the labels which we predict considered as Y. Okay. So in data, the training data which we get, we figured out what value we wanted to predict. That will become my Y. Okay. And on what basis I'm figuring out these value, those will become features. Okay. Now, after this data getting ready, we will give this data to the machine. On machine, some algorithms are going to run.
Yeah.
Okay. So with those algorithms, it is going to build a model, kind of function, fx, which is going to give me a y. Okay, here fx, and it is going to give me a y. With the help of y, I'm actually getting a y hat, which is a prediction. Okay, which is going to be a prediction. How it is going to happen? I'm going to use the model and I'm going to provide a new data, unlabeled data, where I don't have this y. So it will going to make a prediction. So that creates a model. Now here in this step, um, evaluation is missing. So let me add on it. So we have the training data. We will actually break this data into two parts. One training and second validation data. Okay. So let's say 100 records are there. So we will say 80-20 ratio. 80 records will be used to train the model and 20 records will be used for validation purpose, whether model is good enough or not. Okay. So on that basis, algorithm will be applied, model will be getting ready, and it understand that this is the model ready. Now, basis on 20 records, I will use this model to get the prediction. Okay. Once I get the prediction, I have the original values also for those 20 records.
I can compare.
I can compare. And on the comparison, I will be able to understand how my model is performing. So there are various matrices available.
Here we have, let's say, self-validation that the module is working good or not.
Right. So Azure is providing such features. We have automated machine learning where it builds many models at the same time.